A newly leaked photo has started circulating online, instantly capturing the attention of drone enthusiasts and content creators around the world. The image appears to reveal the flight interface of the upcoming DJI Avata 360, and although it may seem like just another leak at first glance, it quietly exposes several intriguing details about how this next-generation drone might actually function in real-world conditions. The image shows what appears to be the screen of a controller running a customized version of DJI's flight application. While the interface looks familiar to experienced DJI users, a closer inspection reveals some surprising elements that hint at a very different flying experience compared to traditional drones. One of the most interesting details visible in the leaked screen involves the recording settings. The interface clearly displays RAIS and FPS 6K25, which indicates that the drone is currently recording video at 6K resolution with a frame rate of 25 frames per second. This single detail has already sparked heated discussions across drone forums and tech communities. Earlier rumors suggested that the DJI Avata 360 might support 8K 360-degree video recording, which would have placed it among the most powerful consumer drones ever created. Seeing 6K instead raises a number of possibilities. One explanation is that the device in the leaked photo may simply be a prototype unit running unfinished or experimental software. Companies often test early firmware with limited recording modes before unlocking the full capabilities closer to launch. Another possibility is that the drone could automatically switch to a lower resolution recording mode under certain conditions, such as low-light environments. Recording at 6K instead of 8K can reduce processing load and improve image clarity when lighting conditions are less than ideal. There is also the chance that earlier rumors about 8K capture were overly optimistic or based on incomplete information. Even so, 6K resolution is still extremely detailed and more than sufficient for professional content creation, especially when the footage is intended to be reframed later during editing. What makes the leaked interface even more fascinating is how the camera feed is displayed. Unlike traditional drone interfaces that show a straightforward forward-facing camera view, the screen in this image presents something entirely different. Instead of looking straight ahead through a single camera lens, the display shows a fully stitched spherical view of the environment surrounding the drone. This means the pilot is essentially seeing a complete 360-degree perspective of the scene during flight. Grid lines overlay the display, along with a centered crosshair, suggesting that the interface is designed to help pilots orient themselves within the spherical view. This type of interface strongly indicates that the drone is capturing everything around it simultaneously. Rather than deciding the camera angle during flight, creators may be able to reframe the footage afterward in editing software. That approach would allow filmmakers to choose any angle they want from the recorded sphere, turning a single flight into multiple possible camera shots. For content creators, vloggers, and action filmmakers, this level of flexibility could dramatically simplify aerial filming. The leaked image also reveals several pieces of flight telemetry that provide additional clues about the drone's capabilities. A small Chinese label appears on the screen, translating roughly to "in flight," confirming that the drone was airborne when the screenshot was captured. The data indicates that the drone was hovering steadily with 0 movement speed at the moment the image was taken. According to the telemetry readout, the aircraft was positioned about 28 meters above the ground and approximately 141 meters away from its designated home point. Another impressive detail is the GPS connectivity displayed on the interface. The drone appears to have a lock on 36 satellites, which suggests extremely strong positioning accuracy. Such a high satellite count could significantly improve stability, navigation precision, and return-to-home reliability during complex flights. The interface also shows a small 4G signal icon, hinting that the drone might support enhanced connectivity through DJI's advanced transmission system. If true, this could help maintain a stable control link even at longer distances or in environments with signal interference. Battery information is visible as well, offering insight into the drone's potential endurance. The interface shows that the drone had 74% battery remaining at the time of the screenshot, with an estimated flight time of 13 minutes and 28 seconds left. Based on that estimate, the total flight time could land somewhere around 18 minutes under typical conditions. That number is somewhat lower than earlier rumors suggesting a flight time between 25 and 30 minutes. However, it is important to remember that prototype hardware often operates with limited efficiency. The final production version could still receive battery improvements before release. The emergence of this leak has also reignited comparisons with another interesting drone, the Antigravity A1. The A1 has been gaining attention as a specialized drone designed specifically for 360-degree capture. Unlike traditional drones that rely on a single forward-facing camera, the Antigravity A1 captures everything around it simultaneously. On paper, its camera system appears very impressive. The drone reportedly supports 8K 360-degree recording at 30 frames per second, along with additional high frame rate modes that make reframing footage smoother and more flexible during editing. When comparing raw specifications, the A1 seems to have an advantage in terms of pure capture resolution. However, the DJI Avata 360 may not be trying to compete solely on that metric. Instead, DJI appears to be combining immersive 360-degree recording with the aggressive and responsive flight style typically associated with FPV drones. If that is the company's strategy, recording at 6K might represent a practical compromise that balances processing demands with high-speed flight performance. Looking more closely at the Antigravity A1, it introduces several interesting design choices that make it stand out. The drone is marketed as the world's first true 360-degree drone designed specifically for immersive aerial storytelling. Rather than pointing a camera in one direction, it captures the entire environment surrounding it. The production version has already undergone several weeks of real-world testing to evaluate its reliability and performance. The unboxing experience for the A1 is also designed with portability in mind. The drone comes with a shoulder carrying bag that makes travel easier for creators who frequently move between shooting locations. In addition to the bag, there is a protective storage case built specifically to keep the drone safe during transport. Physically, the drone features a foldable and compact design, allowing it to fit easily into backpacks or small travel cases. Despite housing an advanced camera system, the entire drone weighs under 249 grams. This weight category is important because it helps users avoid stricter drone regulations in many countries. Even with its lightweight construction, the drone is capable of handling wind speeds up to 10.7 meters per second, placing it in level 5 wind resistance. Safety features are also built into the design. The drone includes obstacle sensors on the front, along with additional sensors on the bottom. If the system detects an obstacle during flight, the drone can automatically brake to prevent a collision. However, instead of navigating around the obstacle, it simply stops in place, leaving the pilot responsible for choosing a new direction. The camera system is the centerpiece of the Antigravity A1. It uses two 360-degree cameras positioned on the top and bottom of the drone. This clever design allows the drone body itself to disappear from the final stitched footage, creating the illusion of a floating camera moving through the air. The system records 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second, providing extremely detailed imagery. The cameras use a relatively large 1/128-inch sensor, which helps capture richer colors and better dynamic range. While the drone does not include a flat color profile for advanced cinematic grading, it still provides manual controls such as shutter speed and ISO adjustments. The maximum ISO reaches 6,400, though recording in extremely dark conditions may introduce visible noise. To protect the camera lenses, the drone uses deployable landing legs that lift the lower camera safely above the ground during landing. The lenses are also replaceable, and a repair kit is available if they become scratched or damaged. Additional features include built-in lighting systems. A front status light displays operational information, with green indicating normal operation and red warning the pilot of a low battery. There is also an auxiliary light mounted on the bottom to help with night flying or low visibility conditions. For storage, the drone includes 20 gigabytes of internal memory, along with a microSD card slot for expanded capacity. Charging and data transfer are handled through a USB-C port, making the system convenient for creators working in the field. Battery performance depends on the configuration used. The standard battery delivers around 20 to 22 minutes of flight time, while a larger high-capacity battery can extend endurance up to 39 minutes. The included multi-battery charger can charge 3 batteries simultaneously and features a display showing the charging status of each one. The system also includes FPV vision goggles weighing about 340 grams. These goggles provide an immersive flying experience with dual 1-inch micro-OLED displays inside. Adjustable diopter settings allow users to correct for vision differences, and an anti-fog system ensures the display remains clear during extended flights. Transmission range can reach up to 10 kilometers under FCC conditions or approximately 6 kilometers under CE regulations. The goggles even feature a small front display that allows nearby observers to see exactly what the pilot is viewing. Control is handled through a motion controller that simplifies navigation. Pulling the trigger moves the drone forward, while different buttons allow the pilot to take off, start recording, activate emergency braking, or switch between speed modes. In sport mode, the drone can reach speeds of up to 16 meters per second. The greatest advantage of a 360-degree drone ultimately comes down to creative freedom. Pilots are no longer forced to decide the camera direction during flight. Instead, they can focus entirely on movement and storytelling while capturing the entire environment. Later in editing, they can reframe the footage to create dynamic camera angles that would normally require multiple flights. Combined with intelligent features like deep track subject tracking, Sky Genie cinematic flight paths, and Sky Path waypoint navigation, the Antigravity A1 represents a fascinating evolution in drone technology. As competition in the 360-degree drone market continues to grow, innovations like these could reshape how aerial video is captured and experienced.